Ano namang masasabi mo ngayon
Kabog,
dito sa
nadaming
sa
pasabog.
MGI?
Alam mo, pangarap, one of my goals talaga is to watch Miss Grand live. And now, I'm on stage with them.
O,
Kaya
diba?
nakakilig naman talaga. Iba yung energy dito sa Miss Grand.
Happy ka naman. Ang galing-galing mo mag-host, nakakaloka ka.
Maraming salamat.
A lot of Filipinos are so proud of you.
Maraming salamat.
Kasali na ba?
Oo, sasali na ba?
Same answer sa stage.
Ay,
Hihintayin namin.
Abangan natin.
Nalabang ka namin.
diba?
Hihintayin ka namin.
You know, I always appreciate our pageant first.
Hindi pa ba tapos?
Such a special place in my
Diba?
Hashtag di pa tapos. Laging hindi pa tapos.
Diba?
Michelle, how does it feel that you were put on the spot on stage?
Correct.
Sanay na tayo dyan.
O, diba?
Hot seat, hot stage. Lagi tayong handa sumagot.
Nako ha, pero diretsahan. Di pa ba tapos?
You know, I'll never close doors, pero nararamdaman ko parang hindi pa talaga tapos.
Oh my
Para ba sa
God!
All-Stars to? O para sa Miss Grand International back to back to back?
Ang masasabi ko, where's the fun in that if nagsabi na ako ng sagot na yun? Diba? Kaya abangan na lang natin.
Oh, diba?
Saan ka mas interesado? All-Stars o sa normal MGI? If ever.
You know, kasi obviously ito yung Miss Grand All-Stars. And I do love the Miss Grand International also. So they really offer two different things. But when they announced Miss Grand All-Stars, syempre, it really did resonate with me because it's for queens that feel like may ibubuga pa. Yung mga hindi pa nananalo internationally. But of course, if the question is, do I want to represent the Philippines again? Of course, the answer is yes. Alam niyo naman na mahal ko ang Pilipinas.
Alam namin yon. So, totoo ba yung napabalita na dapat lalaban sa MMD this year?
Ang taas ng chance kung hindi siya na-reschedule.
Oh my
Yun nga lang,
God.
medyo punong-puno talaga yung May ko since last year. Kaya, you know, when the perfect opportunity comes, the things in your life mag-a-align na naman.
Alam mo, MMD, kung naalala mo yung vlog ko na pinanood mo at nag-comment ka doon,
Napapanood
sabi
ko
ko,
kayong lahat.
ang sabi ko doon, pag si MMD lumaban sa Miss Grand International, bibigyan niya ng sobrang class ang MGI. Nakakaloka. Inaabangan ka namin talaga.
You know, nasa dugo ko naman talaga, mga Marquez, pag nasa entablado, we'll definitely give a show.
Michelle, how does it feel like hosting here in Thailand?
You know, the hospitality is amazing. The resemblance to Manila is so interesting. Also, it's been 10 years since I was last year in Bangkok. Kaya napakasarap din naman yung pakiramdam na nandito. And Miss Grand International Org has been taking care of me since the day I arrived. Kaya, you know, it's been nothing but love.
What is your biggest takeaway from how Nawat is staging his productions?
You know, we can definitely take tips. A lot of productions around the world should take tips at how Papa Nawat stages his productions. Definitely. From the energy to the lighting to the stage, and just a long runway is what every queen needs to show off their walk that they've trained years on end. Yeah, I'm sure a lot of productions can take tips.
MMD, you have mentioned that you would like to represent the Philippines again. But given a choice, would you want a sash with the Philippines on it, or would you want a sash with Michelle on it?
Philippines. You know, as when I'm on stage, I compete as Michelle, but the passion, the purpose really comes from the people that support me. I wouldn't be who I am today without the fans back home.
Wow. So now, it's more of MGI talaga kesa All-Stars, ganon.
Ay,
Diba? Ay!
Kasi pinapili kita sa klase ng sashe. Naisahan kita, no? Naisahan kita.
Maraming pasabog ang organization at hindi natin alam.
Yes.
Pa.
Ay, yes. Ayan na. Oh.
Picture with Adela for and Emma.
Excuse me.
Ito na si Papa.
Manawati.
Ako ninyo sinawa.
Chika muna kayo.
Nasaan na si Papa Nawat? Kala ko may question siya. Here's Michelle Marquez D. And Emma Tiglao.
O Adela, saan mo naman gusto? Sa Universe o sa Grand?
Kaya nga.
Mamili ka Adela ngayon.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and just say hi. Baka gusto niya din.
Sandwich by Universe and Grand. Yeah.
Lagyan ng
Kaliwa or
top.
kanan tao? Kaliwa, kanan.
Two angels on my shoulder.
Pinut on the spot mo si Michelle,
Ay,
ha?
on the spot ba yun? I think gusto lang natin marinig yung sagot ng lahat, di ba?
Eva, kung ikaw magiging national director ng MGI Philippines, kukunin mo ba si
Tanungin nyo lang siya.
Ang yaman
MMD?
ko, ang yaman ko naman, unahin muna natin.
Pero kung sakali bang you were given the chance to do that, would you want Michelle Marquez to be your first queen?
Depends on MMD. If she wants to work with us.
Yes.
Do you
O,
want
diba?
to be the next Miss Grand?
Pero di ba inamin na niya sa'yo na muntik na siyang sumali sa batch mo?
Yes.
In our podcast.
Yes.
Final answer.
Final answer.
Yes, the final.
But I
Subtle
think-
plug, hi everyone.
Yes.
So, wala pa rin final answer kung sasali ka ba talaga?
Wala pang ang schedule.
Ay!
August na!
Ay.
Ang schedule, August.
Abangan natin ang official
Ay!
na.
Ay! Ay!
Wala pa daw schedule mukhang inaabangan, di ba?
Ayan na.
Ana.
Hashtag, di pa tapos.
Iba na, boss.
Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ang tanong,
For always being straightforward with me.
Of course, always.
ang tanong, handa na ba ulit si Michelle Marquez di na i-represent ang Philippines sa international stage?
Ang tanong, handa po ba kayong tanggapin ako para maging representative?
Ay, ngayon pa lang handa na kami.
Michelle, kasi
Oh.
handa ng ponytail mo.
Oo nga.
Yes.
Ang ganda-ganda mo dyan, Michelle.
Yung Bao and Nelly Seboy, hindi ko alam yung magic na nagagawa nila na from short to long in 5 minutes.
Grabe, di ba?
Tignan mo.
Mukha kang Barbie.
Ay, thank you po. Yun yung take
Ganda-ganda.
namin.
Di ba?
Salamat. Sana kung kaya lang humaba po ng buhok ko ng ganyan lang.
Oo.
Medyo matagal po.
Hindi, madali naman maglagay ng wig eh. So,
Ayun.
Ganda.
Thank you.
Mukhang reigning queen si Michelle ng MGI. Parang ikaw yung reigning queen. Ikaw ba magpapasa ng corona sa MGI?
Ay, hindi po.
All stars.
Michelle, as a former Miss Universe Philippines and also now hindi pa nga tapos. Now, I'm gonna ask a controversial question. The scoring that they did yesterday, madaming nagre-react ng mga fans and also people in the pageant industry that the scores that ganun kababa is very disrespectful. What's your stand on that?
I mean, of course, I'm glad I'm a host and I'm not a judge. The judges definitely have the freedom to score what they feel is right. I can't speak on behalf of any of the judges that are there, but I know it's such a breath of fresh air to have that kind of transparency in pageantry again. Of course, everybody has their own opinions, but ultimately, what happened yesterday is not the final competition naman. Hindi naman yun ang magtatapos sa laban. So, what I really hope and pray for is that the girls focus on their journey. They focus on what they have to offer because the day that they have to prepare for the most is really on the 30th. And yun talaga magsasail sa destiny nila. No matter what anyone says, as long as the girl on stage is happy with their performance, no one can take it from her.
Wow, very well said.
Wow.
You have mentioned transparency. Is it because of your experience in Miss Universe?
I mean, I definitely wish there was that kind of transparency
Transparency, yes.
during my year. I think maraming hindi magagalit if ganun ka-transparent ang Miss Universe. Of course, naramdaman na kasi natin ang feeling ng transparent scoring in Miss Universe. So, I'm not against it, I'm not opposed to it, but definitely I think this is one of those competitions that marami mapapaisip, marami magpo-question kung ano mas prefer nila. And I think that's maybe why Papa Nawat is also doing it, to really show that Miss Grand All-Stars is different from the rest of the pageants.
And what can you say that besides Spain and many other countries, France has just issued a statement that they are already pulling out of Miss Universe?
Well, I'm sure they have their reasons. I'm not actually too updated on what's happening there. But I definitely wish them the best, whatever happened. But again, I'm not too well versed on the issue that happened.
Michelle, message mo naman sa mga Pilipinas na lumalaban sa
Yes.
MGI.
Mga kababayan, napakadami niyo kong pasabog. I'm so proud to call myself Pinoy because of all of your grabe pinaghandaan nila. Lahat sila, they're at their best, they're at the top of their game. And napaka-excited na po ako na experience ang finals here sa MGI Hall. I know it's so different to have 5 representatives.
Yes.
But I'm enjoying it. Kayo ba? Are you
Very
enjoying
much.
it?
Michelle, if you're not
Sinong
doing
kukunan namin?
MGI, will we see you in Paris Fashion Week? We miss you. It's been like several
Oh.
years after
No,
Michael
I was-
Cinco show.
Yes, yes. Well, I was there last year also.
Ah, okay.
I had to skip January, but you can expect me this year also.
Yes, because Michael is coming back. Can
I
we see you as
know.
opening this show as well?
I'm always available.
Michelle, pwede mo bang ulitin yung sinabi mo kanina
Yes.
na handa na ba kayong tanggapin ikaw sa pageant?
Handa na po ba kayo tanggapin ako ulit bilang representative ng ating pinakaminamahal na public?
Yes! Love it!
Ang tanong, Michelle, ang tanong, ito, handa ka na ba ulit?
Ay, lagi tayong handa. Nasa dulo.
Oh.
Ay, pero it takes a village to create a queen. Kaya sana tanggapin ako ng aking team po ulit. Yan man
O, di ba?
Michelle,
Di pa tapos at hindi
off
pa
topic,
natapos.
magkikita, nandito ka ngayon sa Bangkok after so many years. May chance makita kayo ni Porcil, ni Antonia.
You know, we're friends, but you know, I'm very hectic now. I don't believe we have a chance to see each other for this trip, but we are friends.
How does it feel having this first project with Papa Nawat?
Ang saya. Ang saya. The energy is great. It's so organized.
Nag-usap lang
It's
kayo
like
dun
when
sa...
they say seven on the dot, we're ready. And I appreciate the efficiency. I appreciate the energy. I appreciate how they've been taking care of us also. Na parang hindi ako nasistress. Kaya thank you so much, Papa Nawat, for the opportunity.
Did Papa Nawat ask you? Did Papa Nawat ask you to join?
Join MGI?
Oh my God! Yun na yun.
Yun yung sagot.
Paano kayo,
Yun na yung sagot.
paano kayo nag-usap mag-host doon sa panonood, nung nakita kayo sa MUPH Coronation
When we
Night?
were together at MUPH, magkatabi kami, and he invited me to watch, and he said that we would love to have you there, maybe participate in some way, but I didn't actually get the inquiry until I was in Switzerland just a few weeks ago, and he invited me to be one of the hosts. Syempre, tanggap tayo agad. It's an amazing opportunity, and I've said it before that I've always wanted to experience the Miss Grand experience, and to have it on stage. I love being on stage. Kaya, syempre, nakakataba ko ng puso.
And congratulations, ang galing-galing mo.
Thank you so much.
Grabe, ang ganda ng
Thank
tandem
you.
yung dalawa ni Emma. Ay, tatlo ni Emma
Panoorin
at
niyo
ni
po yung aming
Pawisuga.
podcast. It was my pilot episode. We had a long banter there. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Michelle. Hihintayin ka namin sa MGI.
Susi, buksan ko na ba?